Guys, so I just found out the easiest way how you can fix black screen on CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to display settings. On display settings, you need to look for your display resolution. For me, it's 1920 times 1080. You need to look for the one who that is recommended, or simply you can go to show more options, NVIDIA control panel, and on if using, of course, NVIDIA GPU, change resolution, and here should be look for native resolution for you as well. So for me, it's 1920 times 1080. So you just need to go to on Steam, right click on it, go to properties, and then you need to put that particular resolution here, and then minus W 1920, and then minus H times 1080, and then just run the game with this resolution. And after that, in game, you just need to change to the resolution that you always using, and then after you change the resolution, just delete in the game, delete the thing here, and it should work for you, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.